Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is belt drives. Yesterday I mentioned please visit rice mills or flour mills in your native places, so easily you can understand what is a belt drive. Motion from one shaft is transmitted to another shaft by connecting them uh, uh, by what is the belt. So two pulleys are there. Pulleys. Pulleys are there. One is a driving pulley, another one is a follower pulley. Driver and driven. Driver is a driving pulley, driven is a follower pulley, like that. So these are you see very essential in day-to-day life. Without these rice mills, we cannot run. The flour mill also we cannot run. And coming to the types of belts, first of all, we have three types of belts, and many more are there. Very important, I'm going to mention. One is a flat belt. Flat belt. In your flour mills or rice mills, whatever you are seeing is is a flat belt. Flat belt and toothed belt. The inner surface of the belt is having some teeth, so that is called toothed belt. Okay, another one is a V belt. Because its cross section resembles the shape of the V. So I'm going to display these items through a PowerPoint. Just a minute. Yes. So belt drive. Next slide. This is. So many are disturbing. Why you are joining exact time by exact time? So this is the toothed belt. You see that it is having tooth inside interior surface. So one is a smaller pulley and another one is a bigger pulley, or smaller pulley or larger pulley. It takes time. Easy. Just 1 minute, I'm sharing. Next one. Okay, next one. Okay. Next one. So you see that in this, two pulleys are there. Two pulleys, smaller pulley and larger pulley, and a belt is wrapped around them. Anyone may be a driver pulley or anyone may be follower pulley. So assume this is a smaller pulley. This is a larger pulley. But cursor okay. So you see, these are the tangent. This portion of the belt is a tangential to the pulleys, and this is also one more tangential. And to find the length of the belt, we have to consider from here to here, one, and from here to here, here, and plus two tangents. Okay. right? So these are the terms which we are using in the belt drives. This is the alpha angle. Alpha is also mentioned clearly here. So if you extend the tangential, the belt, which is this portion of the belt which is tangential to the pulley, it meets here, and this tangential is meeting here. The angle subtended by them with the center of the line joining pulley centers is alpha, subtended angle. So this is the open belt. The clear sketch is mentioned here. So here is very important. Please listen to me very carefully. So, uh, ಇದು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ pointer. So you okay. So this is the smaller pulley. This is the larger pulley. Its diameter is its radius is R1. Its radius is R1, and the larger pulley radius is R2. R2, and the center distance between the pulley centers. This is D. Capital D is mentioned here. Okay, what we you here to while deriving the equation for length of belt, right? So two types of belt drives are there. One is open belt drive, another one cross belt drive. So this one is open belt drive. This whatever I am showing is open belt drive. Both the pulleys are rotating in the same direction. You see that it is rotating in this direction, and this is also rotating in the same direction. If you want to rotate the pulleys in the opposite direction, then we have to go for cross belt drive. So here what I am sharing my computer screen with you is showing open belt drive. So here analysis, while we are carrying out to calculate the length of the open belt, these are terms are very important. So here you see that this is one pulley, another pulley. From here, from the center of the from the center of the from the center of the smaller pulley, draw a perpendicular line to BN. BN. Okay, BN. So that is that AN is AN. Length AN is equal to length GE. Remember this one. Length AN is equal to length GE. So GE is also tangent, and DH is also tangent. So then GE is equal to G is equal to AN, then that is also equal to DH. DH. So this triangle is important. ABN is the triangle. So right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. So in the next slide, one minute. Uh, okay. ಇದೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡು. ಇದ್ಯಾರಿದೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಬಿಡು ಬಿಡು. ಓಕೆ. Okay, this is I am attempting to derive an equation for length of belt in open belt drive. So derivation of length of belt in open belt drive. Now with reference to the above figure, let R1 is equal to radius of smaller pulley, R2 is radius of larger pulley, D is a center distance between pulleys, and alpha is the angle subtended by each common tangent on center of pulley. And LO, this is not zero, LO. OE is an indicative term here we are using here. O for open belt drive. L is length. Length of belt in open belt drive. Now, GE and DH are common tangents to pulleys. Therefore, GE is equal to DH, that is equal to AN. And AB, that is AB is the center distance between the pulleys, that is equal to D. Now, from triangle ABN, from triangle ABN, AN by AB is equal to cos alpha, that is equal to AN is equal to AB into cos alpha, or AN is equal to D cos alpha. This is also very important. Okay. Next, you see that. Now, this is also very important. Arc CG is equal to arc CD. Similarly, arc EF is equal to arc FH. Therefore, length of arc CG is equal to R1 into pi by 2 minus alpha. R1 into pi by 2 minus alpha. This is all taken in radians, because to find the length of the arc, we know that in a circle, if you want to find the length of the arc of what you have to do is r into theta, r theta. Theta is in terms of radians. Like that, here also taken length of arc CG is equal to R1 into pi by 2 minus alpha. Pi by 2 is 90 degree. This is alpha angle, subtended angle. Similarly, length of arc EF is equal to R2 into pi by 2 plus alpha. This is for the larger pulley. Now, what you have to do is, already I explained, from point A, draw a line perpendicular to BE. Therefore, BN is equal to BE minus EN. So, BN is equal to BE, value of BE is equal to radius of the larger pulley. EN is equal to radius of the smaller pulley. And also, from the triangle ABN, we know that sin alpha is equal to BN by AB. From triangle ABN. For your reference, I mentioned here. Now, sin alpha is equal to R2 minus R1. Okay. And next. Right. Now, so here you carefully look at this equation. Length of the open belt. Length of the belt in open belt drive. LO is equal to arc CG plus arc CD plus arc CD plus arc EF plus arc FH plus length of the tangent GE plus length of the tangent DH. So together, here arc CG is equal to arc CD. So you can add them, sum up. So 2 into arc CG we can write. Similarly, length arc EF is equal to arc FH. Therefore, 2 into arc EF we can write it. And GE is equal to DH, we know. Therefore, 2 into DH. Upon simplification, 2 is the common, so you take it outside. So arc 2 into arc CG plus arc EF plus length of the tangent. So then you substitute the values of arc CG, arc EF and arc DH. 2 into arc CG is R1 into pi by 2 minus alpha. Arc EF is equal to R2 into pi by 2 plus alpha. DH is nothing but D into cos alpha. D is, what is D? Center distance between pulleys. Okay. Next, upon simplification, you multiply it inside. So we get this equation, that is 2 into pi by 2 into R1 minus R1 into alpha plus pi by 2 into R2 plus R2 into alpha plus D cos alpha. Okay. Similarly, you group them because pi by 2 here is one, here is another term, so it is common. Therefore, pi by 2 into R1 plus R2 we can write like that. Here alpha is common here, therefore plus alpha into R2 minus R1 we can write D into cos alpha. Therefore, length of the belt in open belt drive is equal to pi into R1 plus R2, because you multiply it by 2, the entire equation. So pi into R1 plus R2 plus 2 alpha into R2 minus R1 plus 2D into cos alpha. You call this is the equation A. Okay. Okay. Next, further simplification of the equation A is from triangle ABN, we know that sin alpha is equal to BN by AB, and therefore sin alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by D. For smaller angles, the value of sin alpha is equal to alpha, we can consider. Similarly, for smaller angles, cos alpha is becoming 1. Now, we substitute the values of cos alpha and sin alpha in equation of A, we get length LO is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 plus 2 into R2 minus R1 into R2 minus R1 plus 2D. So upon simplification, we get pi into R1 plus R2 into R1 plus R2 plus 2 into, because R2 minus R1 into R2 minus R1, we can write like this, R2 minus R1 whole square divided by D plus 2D. In the standard form, we can write the length of the belt in open belt drive is equal to 2D plus pi into R1 plus R2, that plus 2 into R2 minus R1 whole square divided by D. This is the derivation of length of belt in open belt drive. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದು just 1 minute, some more slides I'm going to share with you. 7 okay, next time ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಾನು next video ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋದು.